Yo, morning guys. Today is the day that I leave to Hawaii. And yeah, it's like 5 a.m. I think I'm gonna have to wake Shane up right now because we should be on our way to the airport. I mean, I do have most of my stuff all packed and ready to go. Got my laptop, my camera equipment, things that'll make the airplane ride a little more comfortable. I'm excited, but I'm hella tired. I pretty much like pulled an all-nighter. I usually do that. For me, the night before a fancy trip, I usually am anxious, so I never get my sleep. Subconsciously, that was my idea, was to be tired so that I can just pass out for the airplane ride. I'll just see you guys at the airport. Yeah, dude. Shane, thanks for the ride, bro. Drive safe, stay warm. Peace. I'm excited to get out of this weather. Yo, thanks, bro.
You can't wear both clothes.
Made an effort not to wear jackets, just so we didn't have extra luggage. Holy fuck. Should I do it? Every day. Random screening. Oh, it's fine.
Sorry.
No worries.
Inside the bed, okay?
We're good to go. Oh, yeah, sorry.
No worries. That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Perfect.
Are you
Thank
going
you
to
so
Los
much.
Angeles?
That is such an awesome view. Yo, I hope we get movies on this plane. How did she already finish her movie? Oh, Blade Runner. LAX. Well, we're in the US. Except we're not at our destination. We were supposed to be here for like an hour stopover, but we got here actually pretty late and our flight is boarding right now. So we have to make it like across the entire airport just to get to this boarding area.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to Honolulu.
Touchdown. We are in Honolulu. Get one. Thank you. Claim. Yeah. Crazy. Woo! It feels great on the skin. Our pores are opening up. Dude, this is my kind of weather. It's so nice right now. This morning. No, right? So to get to baggage claim, we have to walk outside. Hey, thanks so much for letting me know. So, I just got note that they forgot to put my luggage in the airplane, so I have to wait until 6 today. It's just, I don't have my luggage here. It didn't arrive with me, so that sucks. Delayed baggage report. Dude, this is not hoodie weather. Right now we're waiting for our other buddies, Hestia86 and Derail_who from Instagrams. They'll be picking us up and then dropping us off at our rental cars. The rides are here. Woo! Damn. What? Woo! Oh no. How are you, man? Good time. Good to see you. Yeah.
Ready?
Yo, pleasure, man. Feels like we know each other. Hey, Alan, pleasure. Nice to meet you, man. Nice ride. Nice. Right on, man. Dude. Crazy. I've only ever seen interior shots, bro. This is it.
It doesn't do justice.
No, not at all, man. I didn't.
Oh, here's another guy, Josh.
What the? Out of
He's
nowhere,
coming to
man.
the party.
Wow. Really? Hey, so this is a drift build. Long way from home.
Hey.
What's up? Long time no see. Squad up. And everyone's FRSs here are just so customized. And it's rocking the other Battle Arrow wing that they've made for this FRS. No, I wish. And this is airbrushed. Hey. Alright, we got a rental vehicle. And it's the most beautiful wide-bodied FRS BRZ Nissan Altima. So we're gonna be following those guys. We're gonna be dropping off our stuff and getting settled. And I think probably go grab some grub because we all skipped lunch today. It's raining right now, but this rain's doing nothing. All right.
He did. Oh, God. He slid on the freeway too. After the mechanic exit. Oh, wait.
Nice.
I was like, I had no hardware, so I was like taking screws off of like my, the doors, the screws in the doors.
Yeah.
I was like using.
Look at this view. Wow.
Water fucking blew it off my car. Small space.
Hello.
So these are my friends, Simon.
Hi.
And Randy. Grandma helped clean up upstairs too.
Oh, thank you. Yes. Woohoo! First time in this thing.
You can go ahead and step with it.
Alright, bro. Wow. This is something else. I don't want to touch anything.
No, go for it. So you have an option. You can either use the seatbelt or the harness.
Oh, okay, sweet. You have the toys back there. Yep. You keep them there even while you're driving. Oh, badass, man. So if you look at the right glare, you can actually see that there's blue flake on the white paint. Freaking sweet. Running an RX-7 rear diffuser too. We're gonna go shopping. We're at this mall called Ala Moana Mall, and it's one of the largest in all of North America.
Yeah, but I think so.
Without even... You're on energy. Without even like...
So, dude.
It's actually from... yeah, pretty much. From, like, you know how we hop on the Holly coming down? You know that off-ramp right there? That first off-ramp that goes down there? That one. When you come down that way.
Place is sick. Yeah, you'll be like, yo, was that you, man?
Oh, bro!
It's your brand new phone.
Friendships.
Did we just become best friends?
Yes, me too. Actually, yeah, let's stop by a gas station over there. So we're gonna go down, straight down.
Alright, dude. Crazy squad, man. Finished up dinner. We're gonna go for a little cruise with these guys. It's the FRS BRZ squad for the night. They're all wide-bodied. Oh, you got boost. I'm just kidding. I know those are horns. Quick gas up.
So what's up with the doors when you get out?
Yeah! Woohoo! We got another Lambo. Woohoo!
Where's show mode? Do you have show mode?
Well, that's one show mode.
Drop some
We're on show mode.
Light show right here.
Hey.
Where's the hair?
Do it in Birdie's colors.
Have the lights go in any direction you want.
That is cool. Shout out Epic Lights.
Have you ever did the pedal dance before? I cannot do it in this car. It's so bad. 明日ここは大丈夫。ピックアップして。
了解。
はい。また明日。
さよなら。
おやすみ。
Yosh, I forgot to end the video. I got my Pokemon blanket. Today has felt like such a long day. Quite a few things planned for ourselves, touristy things. We're just gonna be mostly hanging out with our car buddies and shooting their cars and doing car things with them. So that's the plan, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. Peace. Oh, good night, Simon. Good.